Lesson 17. The future with going to. Future forms in English are formed using auxiliary verbs. One of the most commonly used constructions is going to, plus the base form of the main verb. How to form the future with going to? Subject, to be, going to, base form of the verb. Then goes the rest of the sentence. And we have, he is going to buy a new car. Going to is used to talk about future events that have been planned in advance, rather than decided upon at the time of speaking. I'm going to buy a new car. We are going to cook dinner tonight. Don't forget that be matches the subject of the sentence. Going to doesn't change with the subject. And after read, you have your base form of the verb. Further examples. I'm going to start reading this book soon. I'm not going to eat any chocolate this month. You just add not to make a negative sentence. Sam's going to get fit before his next birthday. We are going to cycle from Boston to Cape Cod next weekend. Going to for predictions. Going to is used to make predictions when there is evidence in the present moment. Look at those clouds. It's going to rain soon. Those clouds is evidence in the present moment, which means that you can make a prediction about the nearest future. And you say it's going to rain soon. Going to gives the prediction. Further examples. Oh no, she's going to slip and fall over. That hill is too steep. John is going to crash. They are going to break a window if they are not careful. Look, the waiter is going to drop those plates. He's wearing a raincoat, so he's not going to get wet. Oh dear, I think she's going to fall off that ladder. Questions with going to. Questions with going to are formed by swapping the subject and be. Michelle is going to be at the meeting. Is Michelle going to be at the meeting? Further examples. Is Ryan going to come to work tomorrow? Is Tim going to be at the party? What are you going to wear to the party? When is he going to get here? Also pay attention that we can use question words to start our question. Question word takes the first position, then we have to be, our subject, and going to with the base form of the verb. Let's have some practice. Future with going to. 17.1. Mark whether each sentence is a future plan or a prediction. I'm going to go see a play this weekend. Future plans. Number 1. Christy is going to fail her exams again. Predictions. Number 2. I'm not going to eat any more cake today. Future plan. Number 3. The child's going to fall off the wall. Prediction. I'm going to cook a pizza for dinner tonight. Future plan. Number 5. We are going to get married in April. Future plan. 6. Marilyn is going to win the race tonight. Prediction. 7. Martin's going to travel around Morocco this summer. Martin's going to travel around Morocco this summer. Future plan. 17.2. Match the pictures to the correct sentences. So, Ben's brought his guitar. I think he's going to sing. Number 2. I think Angela is going to fall off the ladder. Number 4. Dad told me he's going to travel around Egypt next year. Number 1. Cal has the ball. Is he going to score? Number 3. Look at those clouds. I think it's going to rain. Number 7. Oh dear, the waiter's going to drop all the plates. Number 5. Sam's writing on the wall. His dad's going to be furious. Number 6. Rewrite the sentences as questions. Emma is going to start her own business. Is Emma going to start her own business? Number 1. Gerald is going to win the race. Is Gerald going to win the race? Number 2. Aziz is going to sail to Ireland. Is Aziz going to sail to Ireland? Number 3. Fiona is going to teach us about statistics. Is Fiona going to teach us about statistics? Number 4. We are going to run out of milk soon. Are we going to run out of milk soon? Fill in the gaps by putting the verbs in the future with going to. Number 1. My son cooked for us today. My son is going to cook for us tonight. Number 2. It is a question. Is Jess going to study French at college? Number 3. Katie not teach us next year. Isn't going to teach us next year. Number 4. It looks like it is going to rain again. Number 5. It is a question. Are they going to sing another song for us? Number 6. I am going to sell my bike. I never use it. Number 7. Emily fixed the shower for us. Emily is going to fix the shower for us. 8. Pete is going to play rugby with us today. 9. Dad is going to get perfume for Mom's birthday again. Is going to get perfume for Mom's birthday again. This is it for today. Thank you for being with me, and I will see you next time. Bye!